Your Marshall Stanmore II looks impressive, but won't turn on, making it an expensive bookshelf decoration? These vintage-styled speakers have specific power requirements and quirks that differ from modern Bluetooth speakers. Don't panic. Most Stanmore II power issues are fixable. Check the power connection first, but not just the obvious stuff. The Stanmore II uses a specific power adapter that provides exactly the voltage and amperage the internal amplifier needs. Generic power supplies, even with matching voltage, often have different current characteristics that prevent proper startup. Use only the original Marshall adapter. The power switch isn't just an on-off button. It's actually a multi-function control that can get stuck or malfunction. The switch should click definitively when pressed. If it feels mushy or doesn't click properly, the internal mechanism might be damaged from dust or wear. Try pressing it firmly while gently wiggling it side to side. Thermal protection might be active if your Stanmore II was in a warm environment. These speakers have internal amplifiers that generate heat, and thermal protection shuts everything down if temperature gets too high. If it was in direct sunlight or a warm room, unplug it for 45 minutes to let internal components cool completely. The standby circuit can malfunction and prevent startup. Even when off, the Stanmore II draws small amounts of power to detect remote control signals and Bluetooth connections. If this circuit fails, the speaker won't respond to power button presses. Try unplugging the power cord for exactly 2 minutes, then plug it back in and immediately press the power button. Internal fuse protection is a last resort diagnosis. The Stanmore II has internal fuses that protect the amplifier from power surges. If nothing else works, a blown fuse might be the culprit. This requires professional repair as it involves opening the speaker cabinet,